because I don't speak Latin, I don't speak Maluku, I don't speak any language from Timor Leste. But I am very proud to be here, to be at the celebration of 20 years independence from Timor Leste. Timor Leste is our example. And what I mean by our is our from Maluku Sul and Papua. Because Maluku Sul is still fighting for the independence from the 1950s and Papua from the 1960s. So, Timor Leste, you showed us the way how we can manage to get our freedom back, to regain our independence. That's why I say, Viva Timor Leste! Viva Timor Leste! I have also some presents with me for the president of the community in
Welcome to Oxford!
First of all, we made also a small poster with our with a text. Hopefully you can read it for me.
So what's this?
Hopefully the
So what's this?
Read from the top. Yes. Repúblika Maluku Sul, Kongratula Timor Leste, loron, restaurasaun, independénsia, daruanulu. Timor Leste, hatudu, katak, ita tenke, kontinua, luta, ita direitu. A luta continua. Mena moria.
Mena moria.
Mena moria. Thank you, obrigada. E não é quando a tradição, a cultura bem, maluconia.
When she says Maluku, we also speak about Papua. Papua Maluku brothers, like Timor Leste, brothers and sisters. We are neighbors from the same region of Melanesia. So, viva Timor Leste!